For new videos, please subscribe now and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
And welcome. Today I will show you how to add extensions to Chrome. Extensions add features and functions to a browser. So let's get started. Open the Google Chrome browser, type Chrome Web Store in Google and press enter. Click on the Chrome Web Store link. In this page, you will find many extensions. Type the name of the extension you want. Select them by their ratings. Click on the extensions that you want to install. Then click on Add to Chrome button. An window will appear. Click on Add extension. In this way, you can successfully add an extension to a Chrome. Thank you for watching this video.